आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. The National President of the TISI, Honorable Praveen Kumar, the Valiva Sangam President, Munen Gounder, the General Manager, Mr. Ajay Kumar, members of the National Council, executives, friends, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed my pleasure and honor and privilege to be here this evening to participate in the closing ceremony of the 95th Sangam Annual Convention. I know that the sports competition is not yet over, but I want to congratulate all the teams who have participated and will be participating later in the evening. On behalf of the government, I want to congratulate the President and everyone in the Sangam organization for this magnificent national convention. Personally, I have a deep admiration for the organization. The history of Sangam, its contribution not only in the field of education but also to national development is unparalleled. Today I also want to congratulate the organization for its foresight and the leadership of Sangam for the last 98 years. I know that you will be celebrating the existence, the 100 years of existence. I know that you will be celebrating 100 years of existence of Sangam, and that would be a milestone, and I personally look forward to participating in that very milestone celebration that you will have in 2026. I also want to take this opportunity to say that as a government, we are deeply committed to engaging with all the non-governmental organizations, supporting organizations such as Sangam for having the foresight and the ability to run educational institutions throughout the country. The Sangam Nursing School is a significant contributor to human resource development in the area of health, and we as a government are very, very pleased to support that. I also want to make the point that the leaders of Sangam, the sons and daughters and grandkids of the Girmitias who came here, who formed organizations like this, must never be forgotten. The government, as you know, last year declared Girmit Day as a national holiday to remember our forefathers and their sacrifices and contribution to organizations such as Sangam and many others. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I want to remember on this occasion the late Mr. Y.P. Reddy, who passed away earlier this year. We know that the late Y.P. Reddy, as president of the Sangam, made immense contribution, and under his leadership, Sangam progressed, and what we have today is the hard work of people like Mr. Y.P. Reddy, and I want to honor his contribution today. Once again, President, thank you very much for the invitation. I'm very pleased to be here this evening. But before I sit down, I want to once again congratulate all the sporting teams. I know some of you are here from far away, from overseas, and Sangam Convention is probably the largest gathering that we see here in Fiji. It is a testimony to the unity, to the sacrifice, and to the love of the organization that all of you have. And I want to congratulate you all and urge you to take this organization to new heights. Thank you. एक बार फिर आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कारम, और आप सभी को मैं विशेष बधाई दे रहा हूं इस संगम कन्वेंशन के प्रति, और आप सभी की विशेष योगदान इस बृहद संस्था के लिए सदैव से। थैंक यू वेरी मच। धन्यवाद। नमस्कारम।